Hi and welcome to this DCP web tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to download and install Google Web Designer. So let's open up our web browser, and in the Google search we'll type in Google Web Designer and we'll go to this website here. And Google Web Designer is kind of like Flash animation. If you remember Flash before, maybe you haven't used Flash before, but you can create a timeline, you can animate text, you can create banners, you can do loads of interesting stuff with Google Web Designer. So I'm going to be making a few tutorials showing you how to do some animated work within Google Web Designer in the near future. For now, we're going to click the download Web Designer button here, and we'll accept and agree. And it's going to download the relevant version for the operating system automatically, so we detect that. And I believe there's a Mac OS 10 or later, Windows 7 or later, so Windows 10 as well, and Linux. So the browser will detect what version of operating system you're running and then download the relevant version. So let's click on this exe here and we'll load up the program, and it's going to start downloading and installing all of the files necessary for Google Web Designer. We'll just wait until this is finished. As soon as it's completed, you'll see that it's going to take you to the splash screen. It will automatically load up. You can create a new file, use templates. So we'll click on use templates as an example. Then you can see all different types of templates here for different mobile phone banners and sizes. You've got like 360 videos and all this good stuff. So we need to experiment with this in the near future. Let's just click on something like let's have a look, a banner for Google Ads and AdMob. So when we click on here, it will give us all these different options for different sizes of banners. You can click preview here. Let's click preview. Then it will load up the banner and it will show you the size, approximate size of what that banner is going to be. And you can see it's animating, and it's all done in JavaScript rather than Flash. So this is all compatible with multiple devices and all that good stuff. So you can go around and experiment with this. I'm going to be making some tutorials shortly, but that's just a quick tutorial showing you how to download and install the Google Web Designer tool. And I look forward to seeing you in the next DCP web tutorial.